Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says match the following column. Column 1 is the characteristics and column 2 is animals. We have to match the animals with their characteristics. For solving this question, we have to cover some topics as a key concept, and our key concept in this question will be about phyla. The first phyla that we will look is Platyhelminthes. The second phyla that we will discuss is Aschelminthes. The third that we will discuss is about Cnidaria, also known as Coelenterata. We have to cover these three topics or three phyla for solving this question. Let's go through the columns one by one and find out the answer. Diploblastic, radial symmetry, and tissue level of organism. Let's know what is diploblastic. Diploblastic. It does mean organism having two layers of cell. Similarly, in case of triploblastic, they have three layers of cell, and in case of symmetry is of two types. One is radial, another is bilateral. What happens in case of radial is, if the organism cut into halves, then half is not the mirror image, then both are not the mirror image of each other. होता क्या है रेडियल सिमेट्री में, जब बॉडी को दो हाफ में काटते हैं, जो भी ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसके पास रेडियल सिमेट्री है, तो वो एक दूसरे का मिरर इमेज नहीं होता है. बट इन केस ऑफ बायलैटरल सिमेट्री दे आर मिरर इमेज ऑफ इच अदर. मिरर इमेज. तो बायलैटरल में क्या होता है, किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म को जब दो हाफ में काटते हैं तो वो मिरर इमेज फॉर्म करता है. लाइक सपोज this diagram is of bilaterally symmetrical organism. If you cut this in two halves, then you can see this half can be the mirror image of this half. So this is bilateral. And in case of radial, suppose I am taking with an example. This is a radially symmetrical body. Here you can see this half is not the mirror image, so this is radial. Now going through the options, option 1 says diploblastic, radial symmetry and tissue level of organization. Means organism ऐसा organism जिसमें diploblastic दो layers of cells हो, symmetry हो radial and tissue level of organization हो. तो इस तरह का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक देखा जाता है in Cnidaria, and the correct option will be Hydra. Option B says triploblastic, pseudocoelomates and complete digestive system. तो complete digestive system and pseudocoelomates ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर है राउंडवर्म और Aschelminthes का. नेक्स्ट है bilateral symmetry, incomplete digestive system, organ and organ system level of organization. So these kind of characteristic is seen in Platyhelminthes. Here we have example of Platyhelminthes as Dugacia. The last option is triploblastic complete coelomate radial symmetry. You know, coelomates are organisms having body cavity. And option correct match for this option is triploblastic coelomate and radial symmetry will be Cucumeria. That is an organism of Echinodermata. Echinodermata. From this, we can conclude the answer as A 5, B 1, C 2, and the last one is D 3. I hope you understood this well. Best of luck.